Yellowstone National Park. It is home to over 10,000 geothermal features, including hot springs, geysers, and mud pots. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, including grizzly bears, wolves, bison, elk, and moose. Yellowstone contains the largest active geyser in the world, known as the Steamboat Geyser. The Yellowstone Caldera is considered a supervolcano and has erupted 3 times in the past 2.1 million years. The park is a popular destination for hiking, camping, fishing, and wildlife watching.